Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite girl, whatever, VICKS21, and I'm back at it with another video. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Bex, my name is Becca, my name is Rebecca. You can call me whatever you like, sis, but don't call me Becky. Oh, I can't even do it right now. Excuse my background, those are cat toys everywhere. I wanted to do this video for you guys. So I know that a lot of you guys are curious about how this wrap method works on your stomach and if it really does work. I know the first time I only did it was like 3 hours, but I just wanted to see if it was a quick fix, and there was a quick fix. It actually worked. But this time I'm gonna wear it overnight for you guys to see the difference. I'm gonna go ahead and shower and exfoliate so that way I can open up the pores in my stomach and actually allow it to really seep in. So first things first is shower, exfoliate my stomach. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the Vicks on, and then I'm going to put this on when it is sleep time. I did take a nap today, so I'm like, I had heat exhaustion. Like, I don't know what's going on. I'm going to go ahead and do all that good jazz. Of course, I'm not going to show you guys while I'm in the shower. I'm just going to show you guys what I'm going to use. So if you want to know how to get your stomach snatched overnight, then keep on watching. So I'm fresh out of the shower right now, and I went ahead and I exfoliated and I put warm water on my stomach. If you want to do like an alternative or not, you know, do that, then you could just use a heating pad, baby girl. Your stomach's gonna get warm. I recommend using a heating pad after you put it on though. So I put this on so like you guys could see better, but let me see. Damn. Can I? Cool. So you guys can see I'm a little wider than I usually am, and that's because of my diet. I am vegan and I've changed my diet around, so yeah, I'm trying to pull these freaking down, but this is what you get, baby. You don't throw a fit, you just throw your pants like that, baby. It's never there. But we need to get it together. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Vicks on and then put the wrap on. I feel like I'm doing like a pregnancy mole. Like, this thing is so tight on my stomach right now. This thing ain't coming off. I just did a full wrap. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a shirt. I actually feel it rolling up a little bit, but I'm gonna put on a shirt. I'm gonna go to sleep. It is like so as y'all saw, it's 1:45. This thing is like starting to roll a little bit. I'm trying to prevent it. But I'm gonna go ahead and put on a tight t-shirt, go to sleep, and then show you guys my results in the morning. Of course, this does not work as fast as the waist trainer, okay? I don't understand why people think that it's just a cheaper alternative. So, I will see you guys in the AM. Grand rising, people. So, I know, look a little swole. Just woke up. But I wanted to show you guys what my stomach looks like. It is like 7 in the morning. I know, you're like, what the those are my sleeping hours. This is normal to me. But I put on that t-shirt. I just lifted it, obviously. I'm gonna cut it what? I know you guys might be like, why is it in the middle of your stomach? It will crinkle up throughout the night, so that's very normal unless you sleep like, and I suggest that you put this on when you're very close to your bed, because any walking movements, it's a done data for you, okay? But let me show you my stomach. So it worked, obviously. I already know it works. I've told you guys this before. Overnight's better. Oh shit. Cat toy. Yeah, so you can see the line here. But as I've said before, do the overnight version. Don't just do it just because, like, if you need a quick fix, something real quick, I mean, of course, do it in a couple hours, but I suggest that you sleep with that one if you're going to do it. I mean, it's not the healthiest thing, so I don't suggest it at all. This is all up to you, but if you do it the longer, obviously you have more results, if that makes sense. I can't breathe right now, my asthma. So that's with me. Anyway, I hope everybody has a great rising today or night or whatever it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I'll be doing more videos like this since this is kind of like what you guys want to see right now. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.